Stop scrolling. From a laser level that makes perfect alignment effortless to a powerful tool that can bend rods in seconds, these 5 groundbreaking tools are designed to make tough jobs faster, easier, and more accurate. First up, Green Laser Level, a compact tool built to make DIY projects faster and more accurate. Its upgraded green beam is up to 4 times brighter than red lasers, while the wide 120-degree projection covers more of your workspace. With self-leveling up to plus or minus 4 degrees, 4 brightness settings, and up to 11 hours of battery life, it's ready for long projects. The upgraded magnetic bracket makes height adjustments easy, and manual mode lets you lock the laser at any angle. Plus, its compact IP54 rated design makes it perfect for tile work, picture hanging, and everyday DIY projects. Fanttik electric screwdriver. Its powerful 250 RPM Magnastorm motor delivers up to 6 Nm of torque, handling everything from furniture assembly to computer repairs. With 7 adjustable torque settings, you can use gentle 0.5 Nm power for delicate electronics, or maximum torque for tougher jobs. The sleek magnetic storage case includes 20 bits, an extension rod, and a 90-degree adapter for tight spaces, plus a 2000 mAh battery. Fast USB-C charging, LED work light, and smart indicators make this one seriously impressive tool for everyday repairs. Metabo Rebar Bender Cutter, built for serious construction work. Its powerful 8-amp motor can bend and cut No. 5 grade 60 rebar up to 5/8 inch, with precise bends up to 180 degrees. The variable speed trigger and safety lock give you better control, while reference markings help deliver consistent results every time. With preset angle adjustments, bends can be completed in just seconds, boosting productivity on the job site. And despite its powerful performance, the compact 39.7-pound design is easy to transport. Plus, you get the confidence of a 5-year Metabo HPT warranty. ARBORTECH electric chisel, built to make tough timber removal much easier. Its new high-power 8-amp 960-watt motor delivers up to 11,000 strokes per minute, providing powerful and smooth performance even when working with the hardest woods. It comes with 7 high-quality chisels, and the best part is that changing them takes just seconds with the push of a button. The lockable safety switch adds extra control during demanding jobs, making this a powerful and convenient tool for serious woodworking and renovation projects. Milwaukee Angle Toolkit, designed to make tough jobs in tight spaces much easier. Its built-in auto-rotate mechanism allows effortless one-handed operation, while the quick cam mechanism delivers fast, continuous expansion with a rapid return. The durable all-metal gears and integrated metal frame are built to handle demanding job sites, and its 3/8 inch to 1 inch capacity with a 14 mm stroke offers impressive versatility. Add the easy-reach paddle trigger and compact right-angle design, and this is one seriously handy tool for professional work in confined spaces.